Buy now, pay later is changing your FICO score. But is it good or bad? In this Money Smart Basics video, discover the pros and cons of this shift and how it could make or break your credit. Remember to like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics videos. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics, please leave a comment. Stay until the end to receive a bonus tip. Imagine you're relaxing at home, scrolling through your favorite online store. Maybe you're eyeing a new pair of headphones, a trendy jacket, or even just some everyday essentials. With just a few taps, you can add anything you want to your cart. As you head to checkout, you spot a tempting Buy Now, Pay Later button. It promises instant gratification. Get what you want now and pay for it later in easy, manageable installments. You click the button, and just like that, your order is on its way. You get your item today, and the payments are split into smaller chunks over the next few weeks or months. It feels simple, convenient, and almost too good to be true. Millions of people use these Buy Now, Pay Later services every single day. They're everywhere, from fashion to electronics, groceries to travel. But what if I told you that every one of these small loans could soon play a big role in your financial future? Whether you're dreaming of buying a car, moving into your first home, or even applying for a new job, these purchases might start to matter more than you think. That's because FICO, the company behind the most widely used credit scores in the United States, is about to make a major change that could affect millions of Americans. Starting in the fall of 2025, your Buy Now, Pay Later or BNPL history will officially count toward your credit score. Every time you use one of these services, it could help or hurt your score, depending on how you manage your payments. For years, these short-term loans were invisible to credit bureaus. They didn't show up on your credit report, and they didn't impact your score, but that's all about to change. Soon, your BNPL activity will be tracked and reported, just like credit cards and traditional loans. This guide is here to help you understand exactly what FICO's new policy means for you. We'll walk you through the details so you're not caught off guard when the changes arrive. We'll break down why this shift is happening, who it will affect the most, and how you can actually use it to your advantage. Whether you're a frequent BNPL user or just curious about how it all works, you'll find practical advice here. But it's not all good news. We'll also warn you about the risks of missing payments. A single late or missed payment could now have a bigger impact on your credit score than ever before, making it harder to qualify for loans or get the best interest rates. That's why we'll give you practical tips to stay on track, like setting up payment reminders, budgeting for upcoming bills, and keeping a close eye on your spending habits. With a few smart strategies, you can make sure your BNPL activity helps your credit, not hurts it. Your credit score is about to become more sensitive to your everyday choices. Every online purchase, every payment, and every financial decision you make could have a ripple effect on your future opportunities. So let's break it down, step by step. We'll show you how to navigate these new rules, avoid common pitfalls, and build a credit score that opens doors instead of closing them. With the right knowledge, you can face the future with confidence and control. The rules of credit are changing, but you don't have to be left behind. Here's how to stay in control, make smart choices, and turn this new chapter into an opportunity for financial growth. Buy Now, Pay Later is like layaway, but you get the product right away. At checkout, a company like Klarna or Affirm pays the retailer, and you pay them back in installments. Approval is instant, with no hard credit check, making it accessible for many. The big draw? Zero interest if you pay on time. It feels safer than a credit card, especially for bigger purchases. BNPL is easy, fast, and built into your favorite online stores. It's become a go-to for millions, but that convenience can hide real risks. Understanding how these loans will now affect your credit is more important than ever. For years, Buy Now, Pay Later, often called BNPL, loans have been a popular way to split up payments for everything from electronics to clothing. Millions of people use these services to make purchases more manageable. But until now, these short-term loans were invisible to FICO and most lenders. That meant your BNPL activity, whether you paid on time or missed a payment, didn't show up on your credit report or affect your credit score at all. That's all about to change. FICO's new scoring model, called Score 10T, is rolling out, and it's designed to include your BNPL payment history for the very first time. This means that every time you use a BNPL service, your payment behavior, whether positive or negative, will be factored into your credit score. just like your credit cards or personal loans. By including BNPL data, lenders now get a much fuller, more accurate picture of your overall debt and payment habits. They can see not just how you handle traditional credit, but also how you manage these newer, flexible payment options. This helps them make better decisions about lending, and it gives you more control over your financial reputation. If you use BNPL responsibly, making payments on time and not taking on more than you can handle, your credit score could benefit. But if you miss payments or overextend yourself with too many BNPL loans, your score could take a hit. The stakes are higher now, and your everyday shopping habits can have a real impact on your financial future. According to FICO's research, most people won't see dramatic changes right away. The average impact is expected to be a small shift, about 10 points up or down. But for some, especially those who rely heavily on BNPL or have a history of missed payments, the effect could be more significant. Making on-time payments could give your score a helpful boost, making it easier to qualify for loans or better interest rates. On the other hand, juggling too many BNPL loans or missing payments could drag your score down, making it harder to get approved for credit in the future. It's more important than ever to keep track of your payment schedules and avoid overcommitting. Not every lender will switch to the new FICO model right away. Some banks and credit card companies may take months or even years to adopt Score 10T, but the trend is clear. As more lenders start using this updated model, your BNPL habits will become a bigger part of your financial profile. Your BNPL activity is stepping into the spotlight. Every payment you make or miss will soon be visible to lenders, so it's crucial to use these services wisely and keep your finances organized. The way you use BNPL services will soon matter just as much as how you use your credit cards. Responsible use can help you build a stronger credit profile, while careless spending could set you back. It's a new era for credit scoring, one where your everyday choices, from online shopping to payment plans, play a bigger role than ever before. Stay informed, stay responsible, and make your BNPL habits work for you. BNPL is especially popular with Gen Z and millennials. These digital natives love the speed and convenience. BNPL fits their lifestyle. About 10% of young adults now use these services regularly. For some, it's smart budgeting. For others, it's a sign of financial strain. The new FICO model will help lenders see the difference between responsible use and risky behavior. This shift will change how young borrowers are viewed by the financial system. Your BNPL choices will soon shape your financial reputation. Until now, paying BNPL loans on time didn't help your credit. That's about to change. On-time BNPL payments will soon count toward your FICO score. This is great news for people with little credit history. Responsible BNPL use can help you qualify for better loans and rates. Positive payment history will finally be visible to lenders. The system will now reward good habits, not just punish mistakes. Every on-time payment is a building block for your financial future. Use BNPL wisely and it can help you reach your goals. The flip side, missed BNPL payments will now hurt your credit score. It's easy to lose track and take on too many BNPL loans at once. Late payments mean fees, possible high interest, and a lower score. What seemed like a harmless payment plan can quickly become expensive debt. Lenders will see if you're overextended or struggling. Those who miss payments may see their scores drop the most. Before you click Buy Now, Pay Later, be sure you can make every payment. The consequences for falling behind are about to get much more serious. Treat BNPL like any other debt, because now it is. With BNPL now affecting your credit, smart use is essential. Treat every BNPL plan as real debt. Read the terms and know your payment dates. Set reminders so you never miss a payment. Fit BNPL payments into your overall budget, not as extra spending. If you couldn't afford the item today, think twice before using BNPL. Keep a list of all your active plans to avoid overcommitting. BNPL loans are less flexible than credit cards. Miss a payment, and penalties hit fast. Limit yourself to 1 or 2 active plans at a time. Pay off one plan before starting another. Stay organized and disciplined to enjoy the benefits without the pitfalls. Responsible use keeps your credit and your finances healthy. With BNPL data soon on your credit report, regular checks are a must. You're entitled to a free report from each major bureau once a year at annualcreditreport.com. Checking your own report won't hurt your score. Review all accounts including BNPL for accuracy. Make sure your on-time payments are reported correctly. If you spot errors or unfamiliar accounts, dispute them right away. Contact both the credit bureau and the BNPL provider to fix mistakes. If you're denied credit, ask the lender for specific reasons. Use their feedback to improve your credit profile. Staying vigilant protects your financial future. The integration of Buy Now, Pay Later, commonly known as BNPL, into FICO scores is a true game changer for anyone looking to shape their financial destiny. In the past, your credit score was mostly influenced by credit cards, loans, and mortgages. But now, the way you use BNPL services, those convenient payment plans you see at checkout, can directly impact your credit profile. This shift means that your everyday spending habits, even those small online purchases, are now woven into the fabric of your official financial record. Every time you choose to pay in installments or decide to split a purchase over several weeks, you're making a choice that could help or hurt your financial standing. Your payment decisions, whether made at home or on the go, are now more important than ever. This new reality brings both exciting opportunities and potential risks. On one hand, responsible use of BNPL can help you build a stronger credit history, opening doors to better loan rates and financial products. On the other, missed or late payments can quickly set you back, making it harder to achieve your goals. Making on-time BNPL payments can boost your credit score, while missing payments can have lasting negative effects. It's a double-edged sword, and the outcome depends on your habits. The key to success is education and discipline. Take the time to understand the terms of every BNPL agreement, track your payments carefully, set reminders, and always spend within your means. Use budgeting tools and apps to stay organized and avoid surprises. Think of BNPL as a tool to help you manage your budget, not as a way to make impulse purchases you might regret later. Plan your spending, prioritize your needs, and resist the urge to buy things just because it's easy to delay payment. Remember, your credit score is more than just a number. It's your financial reputation. It tells lenders, landlords, and even employers how trustworthy you are with money. Protect it by making smart, informed choices. Regularly check your credit report for errors or suspicious activity. If you spot a mistake, dispute it right away. Stay proactive and use credit wisely to build a solid foundation for your future. The financial landscape is evolving and the rules are changing, but with the right knowledge and habits, you can stay ahead of the curve, educate yourself, seek advice, and keep learning about new tools and trends. Make smart choices today, and you'll set yourself up for financial achievements tomorrow. Whether it's buying a home, getting approved for a loan, or simply enjoying peace of mind, your actions now will shape your financial story. The choice is yours. Take control of your financial future and write a story of success, security, and confidence. Your journey starts now. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promised. Am I the only one who had no idea BNPL could hurt your credit? Here's what you need to know. Always check if your BNPL account reports to credit bureaus. On-time payments can boost your score, but just one missed payment tanks it fast. Set up autopay and keep your credit safe. The information in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and is not intended as financial advice. We are not financial advisors, and the content should not be construed as professional financial advice. Always seek the advice of a qualified financial advisor or other professional regarding your specific financial situation. The use of any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos.